G'day and thank you very much for stopping by my channel. I'm Aussie Mark, who we haven't met before, and in today's video I wanted to talk to you about the subscribers that you have on your YouTube channel. One of the things that I find people are surprisingly not aware of is that when you get your YouTube channel up and going, the automatic settings as far as the privacy of your YouTube channel is set to private, and I guess that's how it should be, because some people may want to keep their activities on YouTube all to themselves, and you've got to respect people for that. However, I find that if you have your settings to private, then if you've gone and subscribed to somebody's channel and then they go on and have a look at the subscriber list that they have, then they're not going to be able to see you. And if they can't see you, they're probably less likely to interact with you. And it's always great as a boost for people to be able to see the latest subscribers on their channel. And that's something that I think we all appreciate. And not everybody's keen to grow their subscriber base. However, it's kind of like if you're on YouTube, you're there because you want people to watch your videos. So part of that is getting more subscribers. So anyway, I thought I'd show you today just the basic how to change your settings from the default private up to public. That way you can see people's who subscribe to your channel. Let's go now to the computer and have a look. So this is my channel, as you can see, and now as you can see at the moment I've got 1529 subscribers. So I know for a fact that I got at least 5 today. So if we now jump over here to my Creator Studio and go over to to the community, and then down to subscribers. Oops, subscribers, sorry, my apologies for that one. Okay, there we go. Now look, you can see that the last subscriber that I can see on here was 2 days ago. But I know that I got at least 5 people today because my numbers went up by 5. So that means those 5 people have all got their settings set to private. And I'd really love to be able to get to know you better and see you on this list. So how do you change your settings? It's very basic, and if you've already done this and know how to do it, well, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. But if not, then let's have a look at how we do it. So basically, we just go back up here, click on the top right where your icon is, and instead of clicking on Creator Studio, you click on the YouTube settings next to it. So if I click on that, you'll see that it's now opening up this screen here, and if I now go down to privacy, right, this is what I'm talking about. So at the moment I have all of my likes and subscribes unticked. Now by default you will find that all of yours are probably ticked like that. So that means if you haven't unticked them, then anyone that you're subscribed to can't see you, and conversely, obviously you can't see anyone who subscribes to your channel if they've got those boxes ticked. So I think it's a good idea to keep them unticked. I've certainly had mine unticked for most of the time I've been on the YouTube, and it hasn't made any difference to people invading my privacy. In fact, it's only enabled people to see me on their subscriber list and allows me to interact a little bit better and to give a boost to the people who I subscribe to as well, just by making them feel, well, you can see I got a new subscriber today. Oh yeah, it was Aussie Mark, that's great. So that's how you do it. That's all you need to do, and then you click the save button down at the bottom and your settings are changed. Well, that's about it for today's video. I just wanted to make that clear for those of you who are new to YouTube or new to my channel, and wonder if maybe you might like to change your video settings so that if I now go back to my Creator Studio next time and you're subscribed to my channel, if I jump into the community again, as I'm just doing now, and down to subscribers, I should be able to see you on my list rather than just see the people who've already changed their privacy settings. All right, I'll leave you with it, and thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate your time as always. I hope that you're enjoying my channel. If you haven't seen any of my older videos, please feel free to wander on back and have a look at some of the stuff I've done previously. Oh, and also, I don't mention this very often, but a lot of you may not be aware that I have a Facebook page called Aussie Mark Flies Drones. There's a link in the description underneath this video, and basically what I put up there is interesting news items about drones that I found stumbled across in various places I go to on the net, and you might find that interesting if you're a drone person. So if you'd like to hop on over there, if you have a Facebook account, and like that page, that'd be much appreciated as well. Alright, that's me. Thanks. Bye for now.